This is an AO Smith of 50 gallons installed before 2019 when we bought this house. This issue started 3 weeks ago after an outage that lasted for 3 hours. Since then, we noted that the fan was constantly working, doing that weird sound, a small water leak, and my kids complaining about the low temperature of the water.
The fan. And we see some small drops. This is the unit. Some samples of the leak. Let's rubber from this point. Yeah, so I will touch here. I will press a little bit, and from time to time, yeah,